Here I've got QILIVE 5039D, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you have to scroll down, choose and open system, and click on backup. To activate Google Backup, just tap on this switcher, and then it's time to add your backup account. So just click on account, wait a couple of seconds, but meanwhile make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And once you are in Google menu, just enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And click on next. And now it's time to enter the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, tap on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Just click on accept to finish the whole process. And this is it. You've just activated backup to Google Drive, which includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device setting, and also messages. Click on OK to finish it, and this is it. As you can see here, you've got your backup account, and now your data is protected. So that would be all. That's how you can enable Google Backup in your QILIVE 5039D. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.